This tutorial will guide you on importing and exporting task data in StaffViz. To import or export task data, navigate to Projects and Tasks module and click the Tasks option from the dropdown. This will open the Tasks panel, where you can manage existing tasks and create new ones. Select the project you want to view tasks for. Once the project is selected, all tasks under this project will be displayed. First, let's see how you can export the tasks from StaffViz. You can scroll to find tasks or search by name using the search bar. Select a task by checking this box on the left side of each task. You can select multiple tasks, one by one or all tasks, at once using this Select All option. After selecting tasks, click the Export button. A pop-up will appear. Select a start and end date for the task data. Click Export again, and the task data will be downloaded as an Excel file for the specified time. And you've successfully exported task data. Now, to import task data, click Import. A drop-down will appear revealing 3 more options. Click Download Sample to get a pre-formatted file, and an XLS file will be downloaded to your device. Now, you need to format your data using this sample. Open the sample file. The first row lists the required fields. Start with the project ID. Since every task belongs to a project, you need to enter the relevant project ID to specify the project under which you need to create the new task. To find it, open the Help tab. Here you can see all the active projects, their titles, relevant project IDs, and all the users to whom these projects are assigned. Now, to find the specific project ID, press Ctrl+F. Search the project name in the search, then just click Find All. Once you locate the project, copy the project ID. Now, go back to the first tab and paste the project ID into the file under the relevant column. Next, enter the complete project name. Make sure to copy the exact project name from the task title and add assignees by adding their professional email addresses. In the next fields, fill in the tasks: start date, due date, description, and allocated time. In the enforced hours section, type yes to stop tracking once the allocated time ends or no to continue tracking. Specify if you want to create a one-time task or a daily task. To create recurring tasks, type yes. This option should only be used for daily tasks. Set the end date for recurring tasks, and specify if StaffViz should continue creating tasks on weekends by typing yes or no. Following the above steps, you can add multiple tasks and save the file on your device. Now, come back to your StaffViz web application panel and upload the file by clicking Select File or using Drag and Drop option. StaffViz will validate the file format and data. If everything is correct, a confirmation message will appear. Click Proceed to finalize the import. And with this final step, you have successfully uploaded tasks in StaffViz. That's how you can easily import and export task data in StaffViz.